Hello friends, welcome to our English grammar class. Today we are going to learn about nouns. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Examples: girl, park, cat, book. Now let us learn the types of nouns one by one. A common noun is a general name. It does not name a specific person or place. Examples: teacher, city, boy, school. The girl is playing. Here, girl is a general name. We do not know which girl. I go to school every day. Here, school is a general place. It is not a special name. So, girl and school are common nouns. A proper noun is a special name. It names one particular person, place, or thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Examples are Monday, Africa, Johnny, Berlin. Ria is my friend. Here, Ria is a name of one specific person. Switzerland is a beautiful country. Here, Switzerland is a name of one particular country. So, Ria and Switzerland are proper nouns. A concrete noun is something that has a physical form. It is something that exists in the real world. Examples are apple, chair, music, Berlin. The dog is running. Here, dog is a concrete noun. I placed the book on the table. Here, the words book and table are concrete nouns. An abstract noun is a name of a feeling, quality, or idea. It does not have a physical form. Examples are love, time, freedom, truth. Love is powerful. In this sentence, love is a feeling. So, love is an abstract noun. Truth is important. In this sentence, truth is an idea. So, truth is an abstract noun. Both love and truth do not have a physical form. They are feelings and ideas. So, they are abstract nouns. A collective noun names a group. It talks about many people or things together as one unit. Examples are team, class, family, group. The team won the match. Team means many players together. The class is silent. Class means many students together. So, team and class are collective nouns. A compound noun is made by joining two or more words. They form one new word. Examples are notebook, sunflower, raincoat, football. I use toothpaste every day. Here, tooth plus paste becomes toothpaste. She bought an ice cream. Here, ice plus cream becomes ice cream. So, toothpaste and ice cream are compound nouns. A countable noun is a noun that we can count. It has singular and plural forms. Examples are 1 pen, 2 apples. I have 3 books. Here, books is a countable noun. Ria has 1 mango. Here, mango is a countable noun. An uncountable noun cannot be counted one by one. Usually, They do not have plural forms. Examples are milk, rice, water. I drink water every day. Here, water is an uncountable noun. She needs sugar for the cake. Here, sugar is an uncountable noun. That's all for today, friends. Keep practicing by making your own sentences. Learning English becomes easy with practice. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.